Should you get a whole house fan in San Diego? Well, today we're actually installing a couple of whole house fans here, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the benefits of whether it makes sense for you or not. So here's the top 3 benefits of having a whole house fan. Number 1, whole house fans will save you a ton of energy, estimated 50 to 90% of energy cost compared to an AC unit. Number 2, it brings in clean air to your house, getting rid of all the parabens, toxins, molds, allergens, anything that can create an issue for your health or just have that stuffy air feel. And number 3, comfortability in your home. Imagine being able to just push a button and have a breeze instantly. Well, with a whole house fan, you could do these things. And here's how it actually works. Whenever the temperature is colder outside than it is inside and you want to cool the house down, all you need to do is just open a couple windows, about 4 inches, maybe a little more, to make sure that that air starts flowing through. Then you turn on the whole house fan. As soon as you turn that on, you're gonna instantly feel all this air coming in straight through it like a vacuum, feeling about 5 to 10 degrees cooler instantly. A new whole house fan in the closet of this house. So the first thing we did is we set up this tarp you see here. And then after we set up the tarp to make sure that none of the debris comes out, we stay as clean as possible, makes the cleanup much easier. We take all of the stuff out of there that could get dusty just to make sure we're staying clean. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a hole after we mark it. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the actual hole that we're gonna cut. Then we go ahead and cut it for the new fan to come in, and go ahead and follow me to see the whole process of how a whole house fan is installed. Today we are actually taking out this existing whole house fan and we're gonna go ahead and put in a new one. So the first thing we do is we actually put down this tarp just to make sure that it all stays clean. Any of the dust coming out of here, the old trash, attic insulation, anything coming out is just gonna make sure it stays clean. Then we're gonna actually take out this existing whole house fan, which is what we've done. We've taken off this piece. Then we're gonna end up taking off the rest of this whole house fan. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. The new one's actually a different size, so we'll show you how that's done and what we're gonna do. We're actually gonna get some 2x4s, rebuild it, and then re-drywall in after. And I look forward to showing you the whole process of how the whole house fan is installed.